Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a round ray. To start, you'll need to do a slip knot. I like to wrap the yarn around my fingers and make an X, stick the hook under the first part, and grab the second loop of the yarn as you see here. Next, we're going to chain 2 by yarning over and pulling through the loop, and then yarning over again and pulling through the loop. In the first chain, we're going to do a single crochet by sticking our hook through the first chain, yarning over, pulling through, yarning over, and then pulling through both loops on our hook. This is a single crochet. To complete the round ray's tail, we are going to be doing single crochet followed by a chain 1. So after you do a single crochet, chain 1, turn, and then in the single crochet stitch you just did, do another single crochet, chain 1, and turn. I did this 13 times. Once the tail is complete, in the last single crochet stitch of the tail, we're going to place 3 single crochet stitches in that one stitch as I show you here. Then we chain 1, and in the first of those 3 single crochet stitches, we place 2 more single crochets. Then in the second stitch, you do 1 single crochet, and in the third stitch, you do 2 single crochet, totaling 5 stitches at the end. For the next row, we're going to chain 1, and in the first stitch, we're going to put 2 single crochet. In the next ones, we do just 1 single crochet until we reach the last stitch where we put 2 more single crochets, ending the row with 9 stitches. We're going to repeat this process of putting 2 single crochets in the first and last stitch of the row until we get 15 total stitches in our row. Once you have 15 total single crochet stitches in your row, we're just going to do 1 single crochet in each of those stitches for another row of 15 stitches. Now we need to start decreasing the number of stitches we have in each row. To do this, put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through, then place your hook in the second stitch, yarn over, and pull through so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Once you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to decrease the amount of stitches in the row. When we decrease our stitches, we are going to be combining the first 2 stitches and the last 2 stitches of each row until we only have 3 stitches left in the row. Once you have just 3 stitches in your row, you're all done. So you can pull out your hook, cut your yarn, and fasten off the loop. Then go to the tail and cut off any excess yarn. As an optional last step, you can add some googly eyes to your round ray with parental supervision using a hot glue gun and some googly eyes. Now your round ray project is complete and ready to have some fun. Thanks for watching!